table numbers. Here children, can you see this number? 6974. Can you see here? This 9 number, it is marked here. Yes, and here this number, the 7 number, it is marked here, this side, right? Okay. So here, let us arrange this number into the place value chart first. Unit, 10, 100 and 1000, right? Okay. So, the 4 it is in the place of unit, 7 it is in place of 10, 9 it is in place of 100, 6 in the place of 1000, right? So, now here the place value of 9 is, what is the place value of 9 here? Yes, it is 900. So, how to write? 9 into 100 is equal to 900. Now, what is the face value of 9 here? Yes, it is 9 only, right? So, next, what about this 7? Yes, the 7, it is in the place of 10. So, 7 into 10 is equal to 70, right? Its face value is 7, right? Understood? Now, here, open page number 30. Now, you only have to tell me what is the place value of 3 here and what is the place value of this 3 here. Here are the 2 3s. Can you see here? This one is marked this side and this one is marked on this side, right? So, now you tell me what is the place value of this 3? Yes. Tell me, come on. First, what we have to do? You have to just name them as unit, 10, 100 and 1000. Now, you tell me first. Yes, it is 3 into 1000 means 3000. Very good, children. Then what about the face value of this 3? Yes, it is 3 only. Right? Next, here. Place value of this 3 is? Yes? Yes, it is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. What about the face value of this 3? It is 3 only. Understood? Okay. Now come to the second main. For each question given below, 4 alternates are given. Choose the correct answer and write it. Here are the 4 options for this question. You have to solve this question first. Next, whichever will be the right answer, you have to mark it. Okay, so this is called the multiple choice questions or MCQ. Okay, or choose the correct answer. The first one is, in 4267, the difference between the place value and face value of 6 is, already we have done it, right? So, the difference between place value and the face value is, means what we have to do here now? Here, first you see the 6, it is in the place of 10, right? This is unit, 10, 100 and 1000. So, the 6, it is in the place of 10. 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Difference in the sense we have to subtract, right? Minus from the face value. What is the face value of 6? Yes, it is 6 only. So, 6. So, what will the answer, children? Here are the options. A, 0, B, 1, C, 9, D, 54. Yes, here 60 minus 6. 6. What will the answer? We can't minus 0. We can't minus 6 from the 0. Yes, we have to borrow 1 from here. It will become 5. It will become 10. So, 10 minus 6, 4. And the 5 is as it is. So, 54. So, what is the right answer here? 54 is the right answer. Right? Okay. Next one here. In 3498, the difference of the place value and the face value of 4 is dash. You only have to solve and tell me whether the option A is right, B is right, C is right or the D is right. Yes. What is the place value of 4? Yes, it is 400. It is in place of 100. So, 4 into 100. Yes. Next, it is 400, right? So, difference in this minus. So, face value of 4 is 4. Now, you have to subtract 4 from this 400 and tell me the answer fast. Yes. It is, which is the right answer here? Yes, very good. It is 396. 396 is the right answer. Next one. In 5435, the difference of the place value of 5 is. In 5435, the difference of the place value of 5. Here is a 5, here is a 2, 4. Here is a 1, 5, here is a 1, 5. Now what we have to do in this case? Yes. First let us see this one. The value of this 5. We'll see the value of this 5. It is in the place of 1000. Yes, it is in the place of 5000. Right? Here it is a place of 5000. Next, what about this 5? It is in the place of unit. So, it is in the place of unit. So, now what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from the 5000. So, what will be the answer, children? Yes, here are the options, right? A, B, C and D. Which is the right answer here? Yes, it is 4995. So, the C is the right answer. Okay, next one. In 1694, the digit whose place value and face value are equal is. Yes, here in 1694, the digit whose place value and face value are equal is. Yes, equal. The place value should be equal with the place value. Here, the fourth one, 4. Can you see this 4? Yes. What is the place value of 4? 4 only. What is the face value of 4? 4 only. Yes. Next, what about the 9? What about the 9? The place value is 90. But what about the face value? It is 9. Next, 6. The place value of 6 is 600. Then face value is 6. It is not equal. Next, what about the 1000? The place value of the 1 is 1000. Next, the face value is 1. Right? So, which is the right answer here? 4. Because it is the place value of 4 is 4. The face value of 4 is 4. So, which is the right option here? A, B, C or D? Yes, it is C. So, 4. Understood, children? Okay. Next concept is common difference numbers. So, let us see what is the meaning of common difference number by taking one example. Children, can you see this line? What it is called? Do you remember? Yes, it's called number line. Right? Here, can you see this one picture? What is this? Yes, it's a frog. The different animals are having the different jumping capacity. Okay, suppose the frog, it is standing on the number 990. And it directly jumps on 995. So now let us see what is the difference between these two numbers. Okay. So here what to do now? We have to. Okay, here is a example is there here. Okay. So 990, 995, 1000 and here are the gaps. We have to fill these gaps. Okay. With the suitable answers. So first what to do to see the difference that frog it has jumped from 992 directly to the 995. To see the difference what we have to do? Yes, we have to subtract. To see the difference we have to subtract. So we have to subtract 990 from 995. So first one will write 995 minus we'll write the first number that is 990. Now let us subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. Right? Next, 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Yes, what we have done here? Yes, we subtracted the second number. Sorry, we have subtracted the first number from the second number. Okay, so we came to know that there is a 5 number difference from the first number to the second number. Now what we have to do? We have to goes on adding this 5 number to each number every time. Okay. So here what is this number? We'll write this number here 995. Now we have to goes on adding 5 each time to each number. Okay. So 995 plus this one difference is 5. We got to know that the difference between each number is 5. So we have to goes on adding 5 for each number every time. So 5 plus 5 it is 10. 0 will write here and will carry 1 to the 10th place. 9 plus 1 10. Again will give 1 carry to the next place. It will 9 plus 1, it is 10. So the answer is 1000, right? So here it is there, 1000. Again, what we have to do? Yes, again we have to add 5 in this 1000. Okay. 0 plus 5, it is 5. 0, nothing. So 0, it will come down and this one will come down. So what is the answer? It is 1005. So we'll write here 1005. Right? Okay. Next one. Again, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 5 to this number. 1005 plus 5. So let us add it. 5 plus 5, 10. We'll write 0 here. And the 1 will give the carry here. So 1 is 1. And here nothing is there. So 0, 0, 1 is 1. So what's the answer here? 1010. We'll write here 1010. Right? Next, again what we have to do? Yes, you have to add 5 to this number. 1010 plus 5. So 0 plus 5, 5, 1 is 1, 0 is 0 and 1 is 1. So what is the answer? 1015 is the answer. Understood how to solve this sum? Okay, let's take one more example. The second one, here is the one example. Can you see this number line? Yes, the first number is 3025, next 4025. Now we have to see the difference between these two numbers. Okay, so what we have to do here? Yes, we have to subtract 3025 from 4025. So let us write here 4025 minus 3025. Okay. So 5 minus 5, it is 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 0, it is 0. Next 4 minus 3, yes, it's 1. So what is the difference between these two numbers here? Yes, it is 1000. Right? Okay. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to goes on adding these 1000 for each number every time to complete all these gaps. Okay. So first we'll take this number. Okay. 4025 plus which number we have to add? Yes, we have to add 1000 because it is a difference between these two numbers. So 1000. Right. So 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 5025. We'll write the answer here. 5025. Right? Okay. Now again what we have to do? Yes, tell me. Very good. We have to add 1000 to this number. So we'll write here 5025 plus 1000. Right? Okay. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 1, 6. So what's the answer here now? 6025. 6025. Now again what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 1000 to this number. So let us add it. 6025 plus 1000. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. Right? So let us write the answer here. 7025. Again what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 1000 to this number. Let us add here 7025 plus 1000. Right? So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is the answer? 8025 is the answer. Understood how to do this number line? Yes. What we have to do here? Yes, first one we have to subtract the first number from the second number and we'll get the difference between these two numbers. Next what we have to do? Yes, we have to goes on adding that difference number, whichever it may be, whether it is a 5, 6, 1000, 2000, 50, 80, okay, whatever it may be, we have to goes on adding that difference each time for every number. Okay. Next one is Open page number 32. Example. Write the missing numbers in the following sequence. Here is a one example. Can you see this example, children? Here are the missing numbers. We have to fill it with the suitable answers. So it is 1572, 1574, 1576. So let us know what will be the next sequence here. Okay. So I have written that same sum here. Okay, now let us do it. So what we have to do here first? It is the same in the case of number line. What we have done? Yes, we have to subtract the first number from the second number, right? So it is 1574. 1574 minus 1572. Yes, we have to minus this second number. We have to minus, the first number from this second number. So the answer will be 4 minus 2, it is 2, 7 minus 7, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the difference between these two numbers? Yes, it is 2. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to goes on adding these two number each time. Okay, so let us take this one. The second, we have to start from the second number. Okay, 1574 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 7 as it is, 5, 1. So what is the answer here? 1576, which is already there here. Next, again, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 2 for this number. 1576 plus 2. So what will the answer? 6 plus 2? Yes, it's 8, 7 as it is, 5 and 1. So 1578 is the next number. 1578. Next, again what we have to do? Again we have to add 2 number for this number. So 1578 plus 2. Yes, so 8 plus 2, it is 10. 0 will write here and will give one carry here. 7 plus 1, it is 8. 5 as it is 1. So 1580. So 1580 is the answer. Again what we have to do next? Yes, we have to add 2 for this answer, whichever we got the answer, right? So 1580 plus 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 8 as it is, 5 and 1, 1. So 1582. 1582. Understood, children? Okay. So next one, let us take one more example here. Okay. 3480, 3500, 3520. Okay. Tell me what I have to do here. Yes? Yes, I have to subtract the first number from this second number, that is 3500 minus 3480. Right? Okay, let us subtract here. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8. We can't minus 8 from the 0, right? So we have to borrow 1 from here, so it will become 4. So it will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Right? So what is the difference between these two numbers? Yes, it is 20. Yeah, right? Okay. Now what we have to do next? Yes, we have to goes on adding these 20 for each number every time. So this one 3500 plus 20. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 5 it is same. So 3. What will the answer here? 3520. Again what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 20 for this number. 3520 plus 20. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 5, 5. 3 is 3. So what is the answer? 3540 is the answer. Next, again what I have to do? Yes, we have to add 20 for this number. So let us add here 3540 plus 20. Right? So 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 is same. So 3. So 3560 is the answer. 3560. Again what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 20 to this number. So 3560 plus we'll add 20. So 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 same, the 3 it will come down, right? So 3580. 3580 is the answer. We have completed all these blank. Understood, children? Okay, very good. Children, open page number 33. Exercise 2.4. Complete the number line by writing the missing numbers. Here is the number line. You have to complete it by writing the missing numbers. Okay, the first one is the cat. It is standing on the number 2100. Next is 2125. Yes, it jumps to from 2100 to 2125. Next, from 2125 to 2150. In the same way, we have to complete till the last here. Okay, so now tell me what we have to do here. I have written the same example. Okay. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to subtract 2100 from 2125. Yes, we have to subtract the first number from the second number. The second number is 2125 minus 2100. Yes. Okay. Now let us subtract it. 5 minus 0. 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the difference between these two numbers? Yes, it is 25, right? So now what we have to do here? Yes, very good. We have to goes on adding these 25 number for each time, for each number. So let us take the second one number here. 2125 plus 25. 5 plus 5, 10. We'll write 0 here and we'll give 1 carry to the next 10 place. So 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 it is 5. Next 1 it will come down, the 2 as it is. So 2150. Yes. Okay. Next one. What we have to do? Yes, we have to add again 25 to this number. 2150 plus 25. Right. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 will come down. This 2 is here. So 2175. 2175. Next, again what we have to do? Yes, we have to add this 25 to this next number. 2175 plus 25. 5 plus 5, 10. So we'll write 0 here and we'll give carry to the next place. So 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1. Again it is 10. Yes. So we'll give again carry to the next number. 1 plus 1 is 2 and the 2 it will become same. So 2200. Next again what I have to do? We have to add 25 to this number. 2200 plus 25. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 is, 2, the same as it is, the 2 it will come down. So 2225. 2225. Yes. Understood, children? Yes. We will write the same answers in this blank. So the first one is 2175. 2175. Next 2200. So 2200. Next 2225. 2225. Understood? In the same way, you have to do all these remaining sums. Next one is write the missing numbers in the following number series. Here are the numbers, missing numbers. We have done it already, right? Here we have done it. Can you see this one? Missing numbers. Yes, here we have done it, right? In the same way, you have to complete these missing numbers. Okay? See this example, children. 2326, 2330, 2334. Now, here I have written the same example. Now, what we have to do? Yes, we have to subtract the first number from the second number. So, what is the second number here? 2330 minus the first number, 2326. Yes, so let us subtract here. 0 minus 6, it is not possible to minus 6 from the 0. So we'll borrow 1 from here. It will become 2. So 10 minus 6, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the difference between these two numbers? Yes, it is 4, right? Yes. Okay. Now what I have to do? Yes, I have to add, goes on, add these 4 number for each number every time. So this 2330 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 3, it will come down same. This 3 will come down next, this 2. So 2334, which is there already here, right? Next again we have to add 4 to this number. So 2334 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 3, it will come down same. This 3, it will come as next 2, it will come as it is. So 2338. Yes? Okay. Next, what I have to do now? Yes, tell me fast, children. Yes, I have to add the 4 to this number. 2338 plus 4, right? Okay. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 I will write here and the 1 I will give the carry to the next 10 place. So 3 plus 1, 4. This 3 will come down. This 2 will come as it is. So 2342. 2342. Next one, what I have to do? Tell me. Yes, I have to add this 4 to this number which we got, right? 2342 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 is 4 as it is. The 3 will come down. The 2 it will come as it is. So 2346. 2346. Understood, children? Okay. So in the same way, you have to try to solve all this problem which is there in page number 34. Okay. Hope you understood all these concepts very well, children. Okay.